Hi! In front of me is OPPO A15s, and today I would like to show you how you can set up an alarm clock on this device. First of all, you need to find clock and tap on it. Then just allow in the pop-up, select alarm at the top left corner if it's not already on, and tap on this plus icon at the top right corner. Now set up an hour, and when you're ready, select ring once or custom. Then choose repeat and select days of the week. When you're ready, just go back. Now tap on more, choose alarm name and label your alarm however you wish to. After that, you can tap on those switchers next to vibrate and snooze to disable or enable those features, and tap on ringtone. Then select allow and pick one of those melodies as your alarm sound by tapping on the best one for you and going back. You can also click on ringtone, tap on allow, select from files over here, and after clicking allow again, pick music from your device. Then go back, make sure it's set it up, go back again, and save your alarm by tapping on the top right corner. As you can see, mine was successfully added, but you can always turn it off completely by tapping on the switcher next to it and picking on one of those options. If you wish to turn it back on, tap on the switcher again. You can also click edit at the top left corner, pick alarm that you wish to get rid of, and confirm a choice by tapping delete at the bottom. Then choose delete again. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!